Hello guys, welcome today to my channel. My name is Jeremiah aka Jerry Keys the Crypto Musician. Yeah, I want to use this medium to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank God for the journey so far, and I'm grateful that we are all alive till this time. And I pray that it's going to keep on keeping on till many more years to come. Okay, so I just want to, bring this update up. Everybody, a lot of people have been coming to my DM about how they can actually, trade, since iPhones have been banned from using the MT4. Like now, I use an iPhone, so I've been having that difficulty. And most people that actually had this app before, you know, they actually don't want to share, their iCloud password. I have friends that will not share because probably they have added their card details, so they're just scared that they don't want problem. So it's hard for new iPhone users to actually trade, right? Since they don't have the MT4 on their phone. So this video is going to teach you how to sort this problem, how you can browse. Android users can also use this, right? So it's not only strictly to iPhone users. Android users can actually use this if they love to use this. But this is strictly to teach you how iPhone, as an iPhone user, how you can also trade the market, and then you also still have the same user experience that MT4 people use, even better, right? So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch this video. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, right? I'm not going to bore you with a lot of talks. I just want to show you how I was able to figure out how to actually trade with my iPhone. Aside from doing the iCloud, go to your iCloud, like you go to your iCloud settings, join iCloud and all those things that I've been seeing online. Nobody wants to share the iCloud password. And so this one is another step. The step is to actually have this. You have to have the Hotforex HFM market app on your phone. I'm going to put um the, the link. I'm going to put the link on the description, right? So you can get the app link from the description. I'm going to put it, and I'm also going to put my broker ID too, right? So it means you have to switch broker. Actually, you have to switch broker. You have to use this app. For you to be able to use this app, you have to switch broker. So I'm going to drop a link. Please use my link to get the app and to join the broker, right? And then you need a trading view, right? So why do I need this Hotforex app, and why do I need this trading view? You need a trading view to be able to spot any market of your choice. You want to do your analysis, draw your trend lines and anything. You will need the trading view to do that, right? You will need the trading view to be able to do anything you want to do. You understand? So you will need it to be able to draw chart ideas, do anything you want to do, use your indicators, anything that you want to do, you need this, right? So you will need this to do that. And then if you want to now enter the trade, that's where your app now comes in. Okay, so now this is the app. This is the Hotforex app. It's the new app that they created. You can see that it has all the gears, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, GBP, and the likes, right? You can see it. And if you want to check cryptos, you can see it here. It has all everything that is in your MT4. You can see gold. It has everything that is in your MT4, right? Indices. Look at USA 100. That's your NAS 100. You can see stocks, anything that you want to see, right? Anything that you want to see is there. Do you understand? So, but those of us trading currency pairs now, and you can see that I took a trade. This trades is where you will see the trades that is currently running. You can see that I have this USD card trade running, right? I can close the trade and I can press this more, right? To see more options that I want to do, like put in stop loss. I can put in take profit, and this This app makes it so simple, right? Partial close by the same thing that is in your MT4 is the same information that is on this app, right? So it is very, let me open this trade now. If I want to open this trade, I will just click on this USD card itself. You see that arrow on that USD card, you can see the chart, you can see it, you can see the trading hours, pip size, lot size, you can see everything that is here, stop level, you can see everything. So this place I can even show the day, 1 day, 5 days, 2 weeks, 3 months, 6 months. That H1 that you are seeing there, if I click on it, you can see it. If I want to switch from candle to something else, to line, I can do it from all these places: M1, M5, M15. Let me switch back to candle. So my 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, the same way you have it on your MT4. You can see it, you can see it. Day one, you can see it. Week 1, month 1, the same way it is on your MT4, the same experience, the same everything, right? If I want to do 2 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, if I click on this 3 months or 6 months now, you can see it. I can even see beyond, right? So it just depends. Then if I want to zoom it, this box that I see here, this rectangle box here, if I click on it, I'll see the full screen. You can see that I added an indicator. I can zoom out, right? I can zoom out, I can zoom in. You can see it. I can zoom out and I can zoom in. So you see it. You can see it now. You see what is going on. And this is an indicator. If I want to add an indicator, you can already see the indicator sign. For those of you that already use MT4, look at that F and the X sign there. It's for indicator. So you can choose the moving average. Like this, now I already have the moving average that is there. If I click on that X now, it's no longer there, right? You see that it's no longer there. But if I click on the plus sign, it means I want to add the indicator back. I can even edit the indicator. You can see the periods, right? You can see the color. I can edit colors and the thickness of the indicator that I want. So if I want it to be very thick and the periods that I want it to, you can see now. You can see. So it depends on what you want. You can edit your indicator to whatever you want actually. You can edit your indicator to whatever you want. And then for those of you that are actually using the indicator, if you don't want it to be that thick, you want it to be very light, you can see it. So it depends on what you actually want, right? This is it. And then I can add another indicator, relative strength index. If you want to add it, you can see it. I can edit it and put periods and the thickness. You understand? So most of the things that you can actually do on your MT4, look at Bollinger Band, right? Most of the things you look at MACD. So most of the things you can actually do on your MT4, you can still do it here, right? You can still do it here. If you want to remove it, just click on the red, that X, and then remove it. Now for calendar, you want to choose the calendar. That's the time frame, right? You can see it. You can choose time frames from here. Just click on that calendar. That's the periods. You can see it. And then you want to choose the lower time frame. You see that candlestick pattern. And if you want to shrink it back, you just press that plus sign, right? You shrink it back. You can even style it above there. Style it to make it your favorite, right? And you can trade any other thing you want to trade. You understand? So now, if I want to enter instant market, you can see that I have a buy here and I have a sell on the left, right? A buy on the right. I just click on buy. Now if I'm buying instantly, so it's going to tell me now that okay, let's say I'm using amount. Now this is where this thing is now sweet, right? So you can see amount, lots, and units, right? So it depends on what you are comfortable with. If you are the kind of person that don't want to risk so much, you now say, okay, I want to risk $10 to trade this thing. So it means on that $10, you can see under it, you can see lots of 0.05. It means on $10, you are using 0.05 to trade, right? And then you can see the units, 5,000 units. If you choose only units, it will show you USD $5,000, and then amount that you want to risk for $5,000 is $10, and then the lot size is 0.05. So it's the same thing. Yeah, that unit, it means the amount that you have in your balance, right? The amount you have in your balance. So it means you have $5,000 in your balance and you want to risk $10, right, per trade. And it means the lot size you are going to use for that $10 is 0.05. That gives you $10 per the pip or on that account that you are using. So now look at it. So it means per trade I want to be taking $10, right? I want to be risking $10 on $5,000 account, right? I can increase it by pressing the plus sign, right? I can increase it. You see that the more I'm increasing, the more the lot size is increasing, and the more the unit is increasing. And I can reduce it too. You see it. You see that I can reduce it too. You can see it. Minimum trade amount is $2. You see it. So it depends on what you actually want, right? Now buy when the price is, this is where this buy when price is limit order. The margin required for that is $4, right? Margin available, it means the money I have in my account is $4,997.86, $4,997.84, right? So this is the amount that I'm required, the margin, to be able to trade this, right? Let me leave it at $10. $10, right? It means I need a $10 to be able to trade this. On this $10 margin now, I'm using it from my, I'm removing $10 from my $4,000 account, right? So if I want to set a limit order now, you say buy when price is, this buy when price is now, this zero that I seeing here now is to put in the price. So this is where the trading view comes in place now. For you to be able to get this now, instead of you to come here and be what's it called now, instead of you to go to the chart and be drawing all those things, you just come to your trading view, right? Come to your trading view, right? Look for USD card, search USD card, right? This is USD card, and then you hold it. When you click on it, right, you launch full charts. Now use the time frame that you want to use. Let's say you are using, this is daily time frame now. I click 1 day. I say I want to use 1 hour. You click on it. If you click on 1 hour, you now see your chart, see everything you want to do. That, okay, this is what I want to enter. I want to enter buy. Let's say it's a buy limit. If you hold it, this arrow will come out. This same arrow that comes out in your MT4. Use it to check your price. You can see that this price now is 1.36241. You cannot adjust it. Make sure you always have buy rule that you can put everything you want. For example, you want to put your lot size, your stop loss, your take profit. When you just take it, for example, entry price now, buy limit 1.36228, right? You write it down, 1.36228. If you want to do your stop loss, you cannot do your stop loss and say, okay, I want to take my stop loss from here. You can say 1.35895. You can write it down too. You now say my take profit should be around here. You cannot say 1.37052 take profit. You write it down. You now minimize. So let me say this one now for entries. Okay, let me use 1.36228, right? I just minimize and go there. And I want to buy from 1.36. So most times it's in zero. This zero. Just start with 1, like this 1.3 1.36228, right? So 1.36228, right? That I want to enter from there. You can add expiry date that you want, maybe you want to put when the trade should cancel if it doesn't trigger, right? You can add it that it will expire so deep, right? But now most times you don't, because you know that later it will come. So now this is the margin. You do not put your stop loss. So for you to put your stop loss and your take profit, you on this. So if you on this now, if you are saying based on rate, you want to say you want your the rate, this is the price rate. Now you want your stop loss to end at social amount. Let's say stop loss should be around here. Let's say 1.35895. 1.35895. So you type it out. 1.358 35895, right? They are going to show you the amount here that okay, for this stop loss, for this risk you are taking, you are losing $12. Do you understand? They're showing you already that if you lose this trade, it's $12 you are losing. Is it not awesome? Like normally MT4 will not tell you the amount you are losing if you don't know how to actually calculate it. You have to know how to calculate it so that you know that okay, I'm risking $10 to make this and I'm risking $10 to lose this, right? But if you are feeling like this $12, I don't how can I do it to lose lesser? Just go to loss amount. This loss amount now, even if you don't even have anything here in this rate, let's assume that it is 0. Just go to loss amount. It's asking you that how much you want to lose for this. I can say I want to lose $10. So I can now do like this. $10. 10, right? $10. Right? I can say I want to lose $10. $10. 10. Right? And now when I say I'm losing $10, this minus $10, it means this is the lot size rate price 1.35955. 1.35955. Let's look for it here. 1.3593555. 1.3595955. It's just around here, sha. It means my entry is here, right? And my loss size is around here, 359, right? 55 down a bit, down around this side, sha. So you see that you didn't lose so much. It means you want to say for this trade I'm losing $10, right? That's how it is. Now if this one now is now there, you now want to say take profit. How much do I want to lose? I want to say I want to gain $20, right? $20. I want to lose $10 and I'm risking $10 and I want to make $20. I said 1.36774. You see it? 1.36774, 1.367, 1.36774. So you see, around this place, it means it's going to give you $20. So it means you can do your risk based on the amount you want by yourself. If I even do $100 safe, if I say I want to use it to get $100, you see they will give me the price level already, 1.38957. For those of you that don't know how to check all those price levels and all this stuff, this is actually best for you, right? But if you already know your price levels, you already know where you want to, just come to it and type it, right? When you type it 1.38955, it will give you the price that okay, this is what you are going to lose, and you press on done, and then you click buy limit order, right? You see buy limit order at 1.36228, right? The same thing happens to sell. If you are not selling, if you put sell now, if they tell you that you should put your limit order, the same way you do your buy is the same way your sell will also work, right? Same way your sell. So if it's correct, this sell stop order will show red. If it's not correct, it won't, right? So where's the sell when price is let me see for sell stop. So we go to same place. If I'm selling, right, I want to come from here and say 1.36902, 1.36902, right, and I want to say let me off take profit and go. So I want to buy 1.36902, right? And then if I'm using lot size, I can say okay, I want my lot size to be, I want to use 0.10 lot size, right? You can see the amount that I'm risking is $20 on $10,000 account. So you can see. So if I now want to own my stop loss, I'll put it here now and say I want to lose maybe $9, right? I might take profit. I want to win maybe profit amount. Let me say $50, right? So if I click on done, if I click on sell limit order, it will trigger. See, sell limit order has been placed, right? So now you can see that the thing is already showing me the sign. where my sell limit is, and I already have an instant entry. If I want to do an instant buy, I just come to this buy now. They just tell me what do I want to do, what lot size I want to use. I can say I want to use 0.1111 or 0.10. On that lot size, I just type 0.10. If you are not familiar with putting the amount, you don't like the amount, just do the 0.10 typing by yourself. Then you put your limits, right? If you don't want to do limits, you can put your stop loss, but make sure you own it, you take profits. You can also set it later, so you can just click on buy instant. This is instant buy, right? Like you click done, you see the buy down here. You just buy at 1.36514. When you click it, USD card bought 0.10 lot size at 1.35 something, right? You click OK. If you check, it's showing you now that you just bought here this 0.10 here above in this place here, P and L and profit and loss minus 1.90 or 83. You see that it's the same way it is on your MT4. You can see your entry here now. You can see your entry, right? So you can see all your trades here. When you click on trades, you see all your trades that are here. You see that this one is already in profit, this one is in loss, that I just bought 0.10 lot size. And you can see pending trade, the one that I put in limits, it has not entered. You can see closed trades here. You can see the last 24 hours, you can see last 7 days, like the one I put when I was trying to test run. I now put a stop loss. You can see what happened to this trade. What did happen? It closed at 1.00 and it's showing lots that I use 0.02. Let me check more, because I said if it gets to $1, $1.42 it should close. So it got to $1.42 and closed. You can see stop loss. It means what happened to this thing was that it hit stop loss at 1.05905. Can you see it? December 16th. You can see it. All the informations are there. If you want to see more info about it, you come here and see it, right? So it is the same like MT4 actually, and looks very sweet and easy, right? So yeah, so that's it. If you are entering trades, if you want to use another market, you can use weekly odd. You just click on buy. If you want to buy instantly, you just click on buy straight. Do you understand? If you want to sell, let's say we are using weekly USD, you click on sell. If I don't want to do the old this, if I want to see lot size, I want to use 0.01, 0.01, right? I click on done, and I sell, right? So now all these things that I've sold now, you can see what they are now, right? This USD card with 0.10 is already at entry point now. You can see 0.20. Now if I want to do something, I want to add lots, if I want to take profits for them, that maybe I'm in profit, or if I want to close, I can close. You see this one now, this JPY is already in $2 loss. I want to close. If I click on this close, you see close JPY at 1.65 with $2 loss, right? If I click on confirm, it will close, right? Cancel. If I want to close this one in profit, if I click on this close, see close USD card with $1.74 profit. If I click on confirm, it will close. You can see that USD is already entering profit. USD card with $10 and $10 is already entering profit, and this one is already in loss. Let's say I want to close now. If I click on confirm, it has closed, right, with $2 loss. Now let me go to close trade. You are going to see it there, right? So let's check what happened to it. Close. You can see what happened to it. This one did hit loss. I didn't hit profit. It just closed, right? So it is quite very interesting and simple to use this. So please guys, I'm going to post the link. Please download it. Use my my broker ID when you are doing signing up for the broker. Use my broker ID to do it. Now what I want to teach you now is how do I now create accounts with this, right? So I'll just click on menu now. You can see my Hotforex ID. So when I click on this place now, I'll go to my wallet, right? My wallet. If I just click on this option, this menu option, my wallet, right? Live account, right? When I go to live accounts, demo accounts, you can see your demo account here, live account. So I want to create a live account. Now if I want to create a live account, that normally when you click on open trading account, they will show you that what trading account was. You have to click demo. If it's demo, this is how it will be, right? If it's live account, this is how it will be, right? So for live accounts, they say you have reached the maximum number of trading accounts for each HFM platform. If you require assistance, please contact. This is because please make sure that you include your my account ID in the email subject line. This is because I had already created a live account for this platform already, right? So these are the accounts, and I already have an MT4 account. That's before I lost my Android phone and I decided to use an iPhone, right? So I already have an MT4 account, right? So now if you want to create an account, you don't need to create you don't need to do zero spread, micro account, premium account. What you should do is you click on HFM account. You click on HFM account. When you click on HFM account, then they will now ask you to do something. Let me see if I can do it. I'll see if I can delete this HFM. So I already created one account. I'll let you delete it too, but I can't delete it. So I'll let you use it to explain, right? So but when you click on that live, right? When you click on that live, this is a live account. This is a live account. When you click on the wallet, you go to live, right? You open trading accounts. You open trading accounts. You open trading accounts. You see that there are different accounts that are here. There's the HFM account, right? HFM account. There's the premium account for MT4 and MT5. There's a micro spread and this thing. So you click on the HFM account. When you click on HFM account, then they will now tell you to fill up some stuff, and then you even see a place for broker ID. The broker ID you should use is this broker ID that is on the screen now. This broker ID that is on the screen now is what you should use. So when you use this broker ID, I'm also going to put in the description on my YouTube. Use the broker ID, you have created the account. So it is, they will also send it to your mail that this is your broker ID details, right? If you want to do MT4, maybe you have an Android, you want to do MT4, or you don't want to use this, this app to trade, you just click on MT4, right? You see between MT4 and MT5, make sure you click on bonus, that you want 100% bonus. Click on MT4. You want to open these ones, all these ones, zero spread, but use the same broker ID, right? Same broker ID. If you want to open a demo account, right, you see that there's demo premium, right, supported for platform demo business. So me, I've already created demo account. What I'm using to show you guys this example is for this HFM demo account, right? So I've already used it to create it, right? I've already created a demo account. That's right. So it means you cannot have, it's not like MT4 that you can have plenty trading accounts. You can only just have one for the platform. So that's why it's not letting me show you guys how to do it. But when you click on it, you just see it's the same normal standard of this. The only thing that they just tell you that there is no bonus on the account. Then you should put your broker ID, and then you say yes. Put the broker ID, you open it, they'll send your details to your email address, and they will also tell you that you should, if you want to start trading, when you just click it, you just continue, right? So you see the account. So this one is, you want MT4, MT5, just click on MT4 and then you continue. That's their creating. So but that HFM is strictly on this platform, right? So what else am I not doing? So this is my HFM account. I wish I know how to delete. You can also change leverage. You want to change leverage. I wish I know how to actually delete it. I wish I can delete it. So you want to start trading. Let's assume you have created everything. You want to start trading. You just click on trade, and it's just take you down to this place once and for all, right? If you want to transfer money to your trading account, come to my wallet. Anytime you want to withdraw, you withdraw from my wallet, right? Under my wallet, you see your balance here. you can transfer funds. When you want to transfer funds, you transfer from my wallet to the account you want to transfer to, right? This is my wallet now. You want to transfer to your, is it MT4 or HFM? You see it there. You click on it and then you put in the amount you want to do, maybe $50, and then you click on continue. It will transfer automatically, no waste of time. If you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw, right? If you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw. Make sure you have already moved your money from probably your MT4, your Hotforex wallet to your HFM platform to your wallet first. Then if you want to be in Nigeria, you want to use local bank, right? You want to use local bank. If you are in different countries, you can actually use any options that you see here. So if you are in Nigeria, you want to do your transfer to your local bank, you just click on wire transfer, right? The amount in USD, let's say $50, because you can actually do lesser. So bank name, for example, my bank name, the name that shows in my bank, Jeremiah Ayo, right? Capital letter, and Daniel, right? NIEL. Then my NUBAN or account number. The account number is in Nigeria 003 95 7430 003 957 4304. Make sure you note that the way you deposit is the way you will withdraw. If you deposit with bank account, you withdraw with bank account. You deposit with crypto, you withdraw with crypto. So Access Bank PLC, bank account currency, NGN, right? If you're using a dollar account, you put in dollar account. Using for withdrawal, just put withdrawing funds or withdrawing profit, anyone. Then date of birth to confirm. I'll put my date of birth and my Hotforex account password. That's the password used to log in, right? And you click on withdraw, right? Don't worry about all this. Minimum withdrawal is 100, is 100, is a lie. You can withdraw even lower than that, right? So if you are changing withdrawal, if you want to use BitPay, you want to use crypto, this BitPay is what you use, right? Then you put in your email address, no BitPay ID found, right? Put in your email address. If you have BitPay accounts, you want to withdraw via crypto or anything, then reason for withdrawal, same thing. So yeah, so that's it. Anyone you want to use Neteller, FasterPay, anyone you want to use, is easy to use them. But if you want to deposit, the way you deposit is the way you withdraw. Don't always forget. And then you always check for their rates. So if you're using your card, you're using your bank transfers, alternative, that's wallets, then all. So me now, I do local bank, right? You can see local bank transfer. It will tell you that the rate now for $1 is 7.15, right? Rates for this is 7.15. So you see the account number. Just use the particular account number you want to. Just click on it to show you based on the bank you want to use. If I'm not using this, if I want to use direct online banking, there are other ways to use it, right? So if I want to use online banking, I use different ways, right? So that way is wire transfer if you are not in Nigeria, right? So what other ways again? Change category, alternative. If you want to use crypto payments, you can see it. Perfect Money, BitPay, FasterPay, Neteller, Screen, anyone you want to use. If you are using crypto payments, you see their means of transfer. Accepted cryptocurrency, you see Litecoin, BTC. Always advise you use either TRC, USDT or Bitcoin, right? So you do your deposit and you will get credited, right? So and the deposit is fast. You will see your money instantly, right? So that is how to actually use this app. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if this video was really helpful, please give me let me know. If you need further help, also let me know. You can chat me up on Instagram at JerryKiz, JherryKiz, right? You can also leave a comment on the comment section. I always reply and I'll reply you. Also my Telegram channel is going to be on the description, and you can also chat me on WhatsApp. I'll put my WhatsApp number. If you want to join my Forex Signal group, it's open and it's free. You can always join to get signals, right? And there's also a paid group actually. But if you want the free group, it's always open. If you are new to Forex, you want to learn, you can also join the group and then let me know that you are new, you want to learn. There's a Telegram group that is strictly for new people that wants to learn how to trade. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. Have a Merry Christmas.